If you think glute workouts are just for Instagram models or TikTok influencers, think again. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 6 foolproof exercises that can transform your glutes and your entire lower body in just 3 weeks. Yes, 3. And if you're over 40 and skipping glute day, that's like owning a Ferrari and never taking it out of first gear. Glutes are more than just eye candy. They're the powerhouse of your entire lower body. Want to run faster, lift heavier, look better in jeans? The glutes are where it all starts. So let's stop ignoring this glorious muscle group and give it the attention it deserves. Because once your glutes wake up, trust me, everything changes. Now, we're not talking about fluff exercises here, no endless donkey kicks or fancy circus moves. We're diving into real, proven movements, the kind that turn flat pancakes into steel buns and weak legs into launch pads. And stick around for full because that one changes the game entirely. Let's get to work. First up, the exercise most people dread, and for good reason, Bulgarian split squats. Now, I know, this move feels awkward, painful, and borderline evil. But that pain you feel, that's the sound of your glutes waking up after years of being asleep at the wheel. By elevating one foot behind you and loading up the front leg, you put your glutes through a masterclass in tension, stretch, and power. It's unilateral, which means each cheek gets its moment to shine. You'll build strength, balance, and symmetry all in one move. Plus, you'll discover muscles in your butt you didn't know existed. Congratulations! Next up, the glute bridge. It might look easy, and it kind of is, but don't mistake simple for soft. Lying on your back, driving through your heels, and squeezing your glutes like you're cracking walnuts at the top, this move isolates the glutes in a way that few exercises can. Want to take it up a notch? Add a barbell, or a dumbbell, or your dog. Just make sure you pause at the top, hold that squeeze, and feel the burn settle in, like an unwelcome house guest. And here's the kicker. Studies show this movement isn't just good for aesthetics, it also reduces back pain, improves posture, and makes everyday movements easier. Glutes, not just for show, also for go. Ever sat on the abduction machine and wondered if it was doing anything? Spoiler, it is. And if you're using it right, your side glutes, that's the gluteus medius and minimus, will be screaming for mercy. These often forgotten muscles are key for pelvic stability and balance. Translation, stronger side glutes equals fewer injuries, better posture, and, yeah, a more rounded, sculpted butt. Here's a tip. Don't just rep it out mindlessly. Slow down, pause at the widest point and hold. That little pause? It's everything. Use it 2-3 times a week and combine it with compound movements, and you're going to see results way faster than you think. Now for the one I promised would change the game, lunges. Lunges are like broccoli. Not always fun, but oh so good for you. They hit your glutes, hamstrings, quads, calves, and everything in between. And because you're constantly shifting weight and balancing, your stabilizers are working overtime. But here's where it gets fun. Variation. Front lunges, reverse lunges, lateral lunges, walking lunges, jumping lunges. Each one targets your glutes a little differently. Mix them up and you'll hit your muscles from every possible angle. Bonus, they boost blood flow, helping you burn fat while building muscle. And when you throw some dumbbells into the mix, your glutes will be begging for a rest day. You knew this one was coming, because let's be honest, nothing beats a squat when it comes to total lower body development. But not just any squat. To really light up your glutes, you've got to go deep past parallel. The deeper you go with good form, the more your glutes have to engage to drive you back up. Want to take it further? Try sumo squats. Wider stance, toes pointed out. This tweaks the angle and shifts more of the load to your glutes and inner thighs. The trick? Keep your heels planted, back straight, and think about pushing the ground away as you stand. Mind-muscle connection is everything. Last but definitely not least, the Romanian deadlift. This one's sneaky. It looks calm and controlled, but behind that cool exterior is a glute and hamstring monster. With just a slight bend in the knees, you hinge at the hips, lower the weight, feel the stretch, and then drive up through the glutes. And oh, that stretch? That's where the magic lives. It's like pulling a rubber band. You load it with tension, then explode back to the top. It trains both the eccentric and concentric portions of the lift, making it ideal for building mass and strength. And guess what? A well-executed Romanian deadlift can do more for your glutes than 100 bad squats ever could. Just remember, form over ego. This isn't about showing off. It's about sculpting the best version of yourself. Glute by Glorious Glute. So there you have it. 6 foolproof exercises that will build, lift, and shape your glutes in just 3 weeks. But here's the thing, exercises alone won't do the trick. You've got to show up, stay consistent, and challenge yourself every session. And fellas, don't think glute training is just for aesthetics. It's about power, longevity, and moving like an athlete, no matter your age. So the next time someone asks you, "Do you even lift, bro?" you turn around, let your glutes answer that question. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs a glute intervention, and subscribe for more real deal fitness content that actually works. See you in the next one, and remember, never skip glute day again.